I know you're looking for that perfect house with that amazing swimming pool. Guess what? We found it.
Welcome to 388 Grenadine Way in the Mandalay neighborhood of Hercules.
Prepare to be wowed when you step into this home with tons of natural light and high ceilings.
This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and the master bedroom has an extra room that you could turn into a home office.
Hercules has so much potential with new development happening, including new shopping centers. You also have the Waterfront Bay Trail that runs through the whole city.
What sets this property apart from any other in the neighborhood is the location. Imagine being down the street from endless trails and parks and schools that you can walk to.
Now let's get you home to start inviting all your friends over for that epic pool party you've always dreamed of.